Hey artists, in this video we're going to talk about our Google Drawing Angie Crabtree gemstones. So you're going to choose a gemstone and you're going to zoom in on your gemstone and you're going to crop it so that it's nice and close. Once it's cropped, you can zoom out and enlarge the gemstone that you choose to fill up the entire drawing space. And then we're going to use the polyline tool. So to get to polyline tool, you click the arrow down next to the line tool and you're going to click on polyline, and that's what you were going to use to trace the geometric shapes of our gemstone. Once you trace the shape, you can double click to edit the shape. Once you've edited the shape, you can copy and paste it or use Control Duplicate, and then use the format options to flip it so that it is facing the other direction. So to save time, you're going to just keep using the polyline tool to trace those shapes and use symmetry to your advantage. So that way you can just copy and paste the shapes you make. So duplicate and flip the shapes and line them up so that you can use the symmetry of the shape to make your drawing much quicker. So shift and click to select multiple objects and then copy and paste to flip it. So you're going to chase the entire gemstone, and I like to save coloring the gemstone until after I've traced all of the shapes. I don't want to leave the gemstone with like these default colors. So work on tracing one side, get all of the shapes, and then you're going to be able to shift and click all of the shapes, Control D to duplicate, and use format options to flip it. Don't forget the big shape in the middle of your gemstone. And then you might also want to trace the outline shape of your entire gemstone, so that way you have a background color for your gemstone. Use Control arrow down or arrange send to back to move that one to the back, and then remove your image that you were tracing. I used a custom gradient using the radial design, and I added multiple stops so I could pick different colors that I wanted for my gemstone. Once you make a nice custom gradient for your gemstone, you can arrange the stops so that it changes, and then if you want to, select all of the shapes and use that for your entire piece. Then play with the border color, the thickness, the color. That way you're going to make your design really stand out. I can't wait to see what you create for your gemstone project.